Fitness is one of the most important things in your life, and many women struggle to stay fit. Sometimes it can get difficult to stay fit because being fit does mean tweaking bits of your lifestyle and staying consistent. So if you are looking for tips on staying fit, you are in the right place for that. To find out about the top 5 women's fitness tips, keep on watching the video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. While there is so much that you need to take care of to ensure that your overall lifestyle is healthy and that you are fit, it can be difficult for women. While spending time with family, with kids and at work, it can be difficult to prioritize yourself. But here are the top 5 fitness tips for women that can help you stay fit without demanding much. Number 1. Watch out for your sleep. Many people tend to undermine the importance that sleep has. It is just a way to refresh your body, right? Why would it matter if I binge-watched Netflix all night and slept for only an hour? You are certainly overlooking the game changer with this mindset. Not only is sleep important for your body to refresh, but it serves many purposes like helping you lose weight, concentrate, focus, and set your mood right. Less sleep is also known to slow your metabolism down, which can negatively impact your weight loss targets. So ensure that you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Believe us, you will be okay without scrolling through Instagram for hours. If you give it a try, you will soon be able to see the magic that good sleep can have on your day. So try your best to get this done regularly to witness the magic for yourself. Number 2. Don't miss the water. Are you hydrated enough throughout the day? Because if you aren't, there's some bad news for you. Now many people aren't very hydrated throughout the day, and the struggle about forgetting to drink water frequently is real, but it can severely affect your body. A proper water level is important for the proper functioning of the body. It helps your body to maintain a good metabolism and is a crucial aspect in helping you meet your fitness goals. So if you have trouble drinking adequate amounts of water throughout the day, you have to work around it. Try carrying a bottle of water to wherever you go. This can help you get reminded of water and have the ease to access water every time you feel like it. Try whatever works for you. What's important is that you should get the right amount of water in your body. Number 3. Don't skip out your breakfast. Many women are guilty of skipping breakfast. In the hustle of busy mornings, making breakfast for yourself can be a task that you don't even remember. However, there are other types of women too who think that skipping breakfast is healthy. Now we know that it can be difficult to eat in the morning for some, but having breakfast is important to get your day started right. Breakfast is indeed the most important meal of your day, so ensure that you don't skip out your breakfast and have a light, healthy and nutritious breakfast, which is rich in various micro and macronutrients. This can help you meet the requirements of your body and say no to those pangs of snacking that you have. Number 4. Choose healthy options. If you want to stay fit, it is important to make some right choices. How often do you find yourself creeping into the bag of chips when you have fruit in your house? The count can be quite high. This shows how actively you are choosing junk food over healthy alternatives. Junk food is highly unhealthy and can affect the health of your body. This is why it is better to snack on things that are more nutritious. There are many healthy options available in the market which can help you eat right. Number 5. Work out to your own beat. One of the major problems of being fit is that women think that working out is a chore. The more that you think that, the less likely are you to try it out consistently. If you start enjoying your workout sessions more, you will be more likely to turn up for them. So instead of trying out some miraculous workouts, it is better to choose workout styles that you like. Do you like to dance? Try Zumba or even dancing workouts. Do you prefer playing sports? Join a sports academy to get fit in the way you like. If you do this, you will attain your target very easily and you won't even realize it. Only if the approach around fitness is changed, we can get better results way faster. It is important to realize that fitness is not a target, it is a lifestyle. If you want your body to be healthy, you need to actively make some choices that work towards it. You don't need fad diets or extreme workouts to get the body you like. With little choices and tips like these, you can help yourself become and stay fit. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share and subscribe to the channel for more such uploads.